You are not the only one to wait until the last minute to get your Christmas and holiday gifts, so I've got you covered. All of these gifts are best-selling, and you can get them super fast from Amazon. Amazon Prime, it'll all be linked down below in the description box and pinned in the comment section by the number you see on screen. Now, I definitely have something for everyone in this video, but this first gift is definitely for the ladies, and if I'm being totally honest, I bought this for myself. I'm keeping it. It's called the Shinery, and it is a jewelry cleaning gift set. It's beautifully packaged, and I've had the Shinery jewelry cleaner before, like years ago. I loved it. So I saw this gift set and I wanted to get it again, but this time it comes with this little scrubber brush. And the beauty of this stuff is it's very good for your jewelry. You don't have to take off anything. That's what's different. You just squirt it on, take this brush and just scrub your jewelry while you're wearing it, even while you're washing your hands. It's completely plant-based, so it gets rid of all the dirt and oils from your jewelry, but doesn't harm any of the diamonds or metal. So if you know any jewelry lovers out there, they will love this. It works so well. Speaking of jewelry, this is a Kate Spade gold bangle. So first of all, it's like Kate Spade designer. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's even really on sale, like a lot on sale, like just over 20 bucks for this gold bangle. Now, the reason it's so special is it is engraved with the words heart of gold on the inside. So I think it'd be great for a mom or a sister, a best friend, someone you really love. And it's Kate Spade, so it's like, I don't know, they think it's like really expensive. The quality is great and it'll look good on everyone. Another great last minute gift idea, if you're just like, I don't know what to get this person, consider an instant Polaroid camera. I actually am giving this to my kids who are 8 and 11, but teenagers would love this. So many people would love this. Who doesn't love a classic Polaroid camera? You can instantly capture memories, instantly see them. They develop right in front of you. I just love this idea. You can get them in different colors. You can get them extra film. Usually each box does come with some film though. It's just a unique and different idea. Now this is a really unique idea and I actually don't even have it, but I'm going to insert photos for you. It's a #1 bestseller, really good price. You can get it super fast. It is a hand casting kit. So here's what I mean. It comes with a bucket. It comes with like this gel casting mold that you can do with your husband or your significant other, or maybe a kid or a grandparent. Basically, you just hold hands, dip your hand into the bucket. There's a couple steps, but you create a mold of like an actual imprint and molding of you holding hands with your loved one. It is such a unique idea. Nobody would expect to get this. It's just so special. I also love this gift idea. I really do want to keep this for myself as well, but it is a tea assortment. But look how beautifully it's presented. It comes in this nice box with the ribbon. You lift it up and there's all of these teas, again, beautifully presented and organized. And it looks like it's loose leaf tea, but it's not. It has like a really kind of like high quality mesh. So people don't have to have loose leaf tea things to drink it. You can just dip it into hot water in a regular mug and they can enjoy so many high quality varieties of black, oolong, green, white, and herbal teas. There's so many to choose from, an amazing price point, and it's presented really, really well. Now, if you're looking for a kid gift idea, this is an excellent one. This is so good because it covers many, 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 many different age ranges. My kids have 2 of them. They are the Perplexus. Do you know what a Perplexus is? It's a really interesting maze. Like there's a ball rolling around in here, but it's a maze that you try to complete challenges and you like go down pathways and zigzags and twirly things and you get to different levels. It's so cool. We got one for my kids and they loved it so much. We ended up getting another one. Sorry if this is so loud, but they still to this day, they're playing with it all the time. Like it's a really good gift idea, again, for a lot of age ranges. Now, if you wanna give kids cash instead, like sometimes you just wanna give them money depending on their age or whatever. I loved getting money as a kid, but this is the most fun and interesting and exciting way to do it. So it's a money box. And so it's really inexpensive, but it's a box and it comes with 100 clear plastic covers that you insert the money into. So you can do all $1 bills or you can do $5 bills, like whatever you want. I feel like $1 bills would be really fun though. And you just put everything in the box. And so you present them the box, the money box, and then they start pulling out the money and it just never ends and it keeps going and it's so fun and exciting. They will love it. Heck, I would love it. Pickle Ball is all the rage right now, and I found this set on Amazon. Such a good price point, amazing reviews. You can get it really fast and it comes in so many different colors and designs, and it works for people of all ages. I think that's why it's becoming so popular. It's a sport that gets your heart rate up. You kind of move, but like people that are really old love playing it, people that are really young love playing it, and everything in between. So it's definitely a great gift idea for so many people. Now, I was gonna say this next gift idea is great for guys because it totally is. Josh actually wanted me to put this in the video, but the more I think about it, this really would be good for anyone. And I'm talking even like a teenage girl who just got her driver's license, someone going off to college, anybody at all. This is a jump starting kit. It's great to have this in your vehicle at all times. Josh has used this multiple times for other people alongside the road. They need a jump start to like get their car started. There's other things you can do with this as well. I think you can charge things up with it, but the main purpose is if you are straying alongside the road, it's good to have this for emergency situations. Guys love this. This is one of Josh's favorite Amazon purchases, but again, it's really good for everyone. So many people would also love this gift idea. It is a heated foot and back massager. So shout out to my friend Marissa. She has this and loves it and recommended it to me. But it's different because it is a foot massager. It gets warm. You can use it on the floor, put your feet on it. It's great. Like if you work from home or even if you work at a desk at an office, you could take it there and put it under your desk. And while you're working, massage your feet. It gets warm and toasty. It's just really luxurious and nice. But you can actually take this because it is flat and you can put it behind your back and have a back massage as well. Most foot massagers are only for your feet, but this one is a lot more versatile and this is removable so you can wash it. Price is so good. Excellent gift idea. Now this is a diatomaceous stone bath mat and I recently got it for us. Like I just really like it in my bathroom in front of the shower or a bathtub, and it's really unique because it is stone, but it's very anti-slip. But more so, it instantly absorbs the moisture. Like when you step on it, you can see the water and it absorbs within a few seconds. It's really, really cool. So I just thought this would be an interesting gift idea for people rather than having the stupid mats that just, I don't know, they get gross and this one just doesn't. It comes with like an anti-slip thing for the bottom as well. It's really stylish looking and different. If you know somebody in your life that is into health or natural health remedies, you should get them a bottle of castor oil. Oh my goodness. I recently did a video about how my life was essentially changed from using castor oil. This does so much. It makes your eyelashes longer, your eyebrows longer, it grows hair. It helps with digestive issues. It helps with inflammation. It helps with pain. It helps with menstrual cramps. It helped literally. You think of it, oh, your skin, oh my gosh, your skin, there's so many things. So this kind that I have is currently sold out, but I also highly recommend the Queen of Thrones brand. It checks all of my boxes. It's organic, hexane free, it's from a glass bottle. Like it is excellent quality. This you can get super fast. It's the #1 best-selling castor oil on all of Amazon. If you don't have this, I get a bottle for yourself, but it would also make a great gift idea for anybody into health. Now this is the Goshi Japanese shower towel. You may have seen me talk about this in another video, but I think this is a great gift idea because nobody has it. But it is so popular over in Japan. It is the most interesting texture. It's a great exfoliator, but it's not too harsh, but it really makes you feel like you had the best shower of your life. Your skin is so soft afterwards. You feel so clean every time you use this. It is just excellent. It's a really low price, but again, nobody has it. Now this is a travel coffee mug, and this is a personal favorite of mine because it's different than a typical travel mug. Like, I love coffee. I love hot tea. I love taking it places, but most travel mugs, they are metal, right? So to keep it hot a long time, but this inside is coated in ceramic. So it's really healthy. It still is metal on the outside, so it keeps it hot a really long time, but it doesn't change the taste of your coffee or tea because there's that metal metallic taste that just tastes different. So The other thing that I love about this is it's like you're actually drinking from a real mug, like you're actually sipping coffee, but it comes with a lid so you can take it places, sip your coffee. It stays really hot a long time. I have it in 2 colors. This is kind of another travel thing, but this is something that you would just take with you and maybe keep in your purse. And I think it would make a great stocking stuffer idea because it's very small. The price is really low, but it is a collapsible metal straw that you can just keep in your purse. Like it stays in this little silicone holder thing. So when you're out to a restaurant and you don't want to use the straws they have there, or maybe they don't give you a straw and you love a straw, this is so little. You just pull it out of the silicone thing, open it up, boom, you have a straw. So that's really fun. It also comes with a little brush cleaner that also expands, and it just stays in this little silicone tube that you can just keep in your purse. This milk frother would also make a great stocking stuffer because it is small, very affordable, and I feel like everyone should have one. The reason these blew up in popularity is because it froths milk so nicely. So you just froth milk, you can add it to coffee and it's all luxurious, like you're having a latte and whatnot. I just don't ever do it like that. I love having this because I'll add drink powders to water or juice or whatever, or protein powder, smoothie stuff, and it just blends everything so quick rather than stirring it or shaking it. So I feel like everyone should have this in their kitchen. Now, if you're struggling for a gift idea for a certain person, think about whether or not they have pets. If the answer is yes, you must get them the Chom Chom roller. They will thank you for it. They will love it. They won't even remember a time without having this thing because it is that amazing. I have a cat. I will go around, I'll spot treat areas on my carpet. I'll use this on my couch, upholstery. I'll use it on my bedspread, and it's instant that it works rather than busting out a whole vacuum. And then to clean it out, I mean, there's stuff still in there now. You can easily just clean it right out. It's just a lifesaver. Everything in this video will be linked down below in the description box and also pinned in the comment section by the numbers you saw on screen. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.